Okay, before I leave, I thought I'd throw this quick video in here. Take a look at the fan. This car has been running for 30 minutes now. It's really hot. There's no problems. Now I'm gonna turn off the engine and watch how long that fan keeps spinning. Now, it's nice and hot. Let's see, I'm gonna have to reach around. Can we see the fan? Right there, take a look. Let's see if my arm can reach the key. No, I don't think so. I'm gonna have to just run around. Okay, I'm gonna tell you when I turn the key off, count how many seconds. But let's see, I'm gonna reach. Do I see the fan? Oh, I'm trying. Sorry guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, ignition off. You see how long that fan went? That should have stopped a lot faster. That's all for the quick video. It's a thermal fluid driven clutch fan.